Magkatiguang ta kay ulitan.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Doc Jun channel here. So for today's video is just simple lang. We are just having our breakfast here by the seaside. Malapit lang kami sa aming accommodation. So nandito lang kami sa Wakra, Old Souk. And ito yung seaside niya. Ayun. And then ito yung surroundings. So simplicity is beauty. Wala nang masabi. No, we're just enjoying the company of each other. Actually, nagluto si Carol og sardinas with egg. Nag-fry din kami ng eggplant. Meron ding scrambled egg. Meron ding cheese hotdog. Then rice. And then karak. And of course, water. And then 3 seats for 3 persons and then 1 small table. Ayan lang. So that's how we spend our day here in Qatar pag may mga holiday, lalo na ngayon na medyo malamig na ang panahon. So okay lang. Ang sarap lang ng feeling na you can feel the cold breeze of the air, fresh. And then you can also hear the rushing of the seawater along the yung sand along the highway daw, sabi ni Caro. So ganun lang. And then sitting around, talking. Si Tyler actually nanood ng movie sa kanyang cellphone. Si Carol naman naglalaro. So if you
Thank you
are
guys. Bye.
nagbahay naman dayon. So,
Gipangunahan.
ganun lang, kasimple lang among life dito, no? So, no fancy restaurants.
Sigan.
Balik!
Post.
Di daw marunong. Thank you, guys. Just enjoying each other's company.
No, what I mean, Daddy, is imo na nang gisulat ba sa post nimo?
Ah, oh.
Kang gi-verbal lang po nimo.
Sa YouTube man ni.
Kahit na di.
Sige na,
Balik
guys.
di.
Sige na, bye-bye na to everyone.
Bye guys.
If
Merry
you're enjoying this
Christmas.
video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming YouTube channel. God bless!